students, in this video I am going to discuss how we can find out Lewis acid and Lewis base from the following reaction. Reaction is when sulfur trioxide reacts with water, we are getting sulfuric acid. Now let's find out that water and sulfur trioxide, who is acting as a Lewis acid and who is acting as a Lewis base. First I am going to draw the structure of water molecule and sulfur trioxide. This is the water molecule structure. Oxygen has 2 lone pair. This is the sulfur trioxide structure. Sulfur is connected with 3 oxygens via double bonds. So sulfur has a variable valency, we know, and here sulfur valency is 6. So now let's see how things are happening. So due to resonance, this pi electron move towards the oxygen. We can draw all the lone pairs over the oxygen. So oxygen has 2 lone pairs. So due to resonance, sulfur is getting positive charge. So sulfur positive, here oxygen negatively charged. So here it will be 3 lone pairs and 2 other oxygen is double bonded with sulfur. Now here oxygen lone pair will be donated to sulfur because now sulfur is positively charged. So since the water is giving electrons, so water is acting as a Lewis base and sulfur trioxide, here sulfur is acting as a Lewis acid. Then what is the adduct we are getting? So let me first draw the structure here. Sulfur, here oxygen, say negatively charged. Here you have a double bond oxygen and one new bond formation. I can use a different color here, and which is connected with oxygen. So oxygen has given 2 electrons to sulfur, so oxygen become positively charged. Now we have 2 hydrogen which is connected with water. So now this is the Lewis acid base adduct we are getting. Now it will undergo some simple rearrangement to get the sulfuric acid. Let me show you that one. So since oxygen is positively charged, so deprotonation will take place. We are getting this compound is double bond O. Now oxygen will be, this deprotonation is taking place, so we are getting H plus, and now this negatively charged O minus will attack to H plus, so that means here it is a OH. So now oxygen has 2 lone pair and another oxygen has OH. So this one is a new bond. We can draw this bond using the different color. So now here we can see we are getting sulfuric acid.